my channel. I am here with a new video for you all today. Now this one is going to be like a 2-in-1, a tutorial and a hair review. I'm going to be showing you how I installed this gorgeous crochet hair that I'm wearing. It was sent to me from a company called Trendy Tresses and decided to give it a go. So yeah, let's jump into the video so I can give you all the details about this look. installed the hair. This is how I finally styled it. I'll probably go back in a little later and do a bit more trimming because it's not perfect, but I need to leave the house. So I'm gonna make this short and sweet and just tell you, you know, what I think about the hair. Now, as I said, this hair is from Trendy Tresses. I'll leave all their details in the description box. I really love the ombre effect. This one, as I said, is their island curls, and I use approximately 4.5 packs. You could use more if you want it gigantic, but as you would have seen, it gets really big. It's extremely lightweight. I don't feel like if I have anything at all on my hair. However, if you're a first timer doing like crochet hairstyles, I'm not sure that this would be the correct hair texture for you. It's very soft and silky, which is great on one hand, but you really have to, you know, really get your technique going to make sure that it stays in place, like knotting it about 4 or 5 times. And you also need to separate the hair, as you would have seen in the video. It comes like this, and then you need to like strip it apart. You could apply like one like this, but again, because it's so soft and silky, you really, you know, have to work hard to get it in and to make it blend and look as natural as possible. On the other hand, Trendy Tresses do have other hair textures and styles that are all equally beautiful. You can check them out. They have different lengths, different hair colors. Their site is very easy to use. Their customer service is wonderful, and for me, the packaging is pretty good. So overall, I would purchase hair from them again, even though this was a bit, you know, tedious for me to apply. I love how it looked at the end. As I said, it's really soft, and it gives that natural frizz as well to make the hair really look like yours. It blends beautifully, and I love that I chose this ombre color on the bottom. But that's it, guys. That's all I really have to say about this hair. It's very cute. It's very beautiful. I can still get like my beanie over this. I can do several styles with it. I can rock a head wrap. I can have it like this. I can have it to the middle. So yeah, all in all, it's a beautiful protective style to have. One of the good things as well about doing your hair in like a crochet style is that you can still get to your scalp, so you can still moisturize your hair if you want. You can still have it open up so, you know, you can get the air flowing through. But yeah, all in all, I love this style. I love the hair. Only con for me, as I said, is that, you know, separating it can be tedious, but once you really get the rhythm going and you create your own little technique, then it's perfectly fine. But as always, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will see you again very soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff, and I'll see you. Bye!